say you run the laps them more wide.
Why not look like me run my laps then? Because you don't know about me. You don't know about me, my lad. And everything me make people know about me is a very quiet man in a king.
So about what time you do that?
Rasta early, brother. Find of them 5 there, then 4:30 there, then 5 there. We just get up and me just go around some places. You see me?
Run around the community?
I don't run around the community.
Where do?
Community is long enough. And it's a very old blood clad man.
Yeah.
So I just come from here, so go down there, so go right back round.
You run go down in a gully there, so?
And go back.
And go back round, so?
Round the road where
So no see you know the boy, yeah? Like,
see?
Yeah.
Then see the most there, my lad.
So no sons, you know the boy, you can run and...
All river there took him. You want to run a man in time?
A couple man in with a shoe boat.
Them cannot drag you, man. You can drag you if you want, you know, man. As a young boy to a old man, you know.
Yeah.
And show
You
them
feel like you can't drag left me.
I didn't say drag left you, I said I could drag you, brother. Remember. Oh? Picker.
You want picker for do, Randy? Yeah, picker. You want picker, yes, but I know my picker. When you soon carry back?
Yeah, I'm soon carry back. Me can't get take picker give you some blood. Because I know you, you know. So me no see you back here and the bum buck like mountain around the scammer, you know, man.
You keep us up, you know. Like me, I use work here, but.
So you say me can't get a day?
You know, say I'm look woman, I took up some man.
Oh, alright. Go along with them bad worker.
Alright, come buy me a special.
A be a bad worker you have in Ivan there, you know.
Go on forward. What's that?
Bum
Cha, how the bum buck?
Me not drive you no a second a pussy what. Remember me tell you. Yeah, man. Go drag your couple morning.
Alright then.
You see me? When me no in front, you're there in front. And when you're not in front, me in front. If you're tired, I'm go in front.
Oh, so I could have lens in and
What you mean by
after
lens?
slow down.
What you mean by lens, man?
Run left your man.
And go where?
Eh?
Where you go?
And if you wait, stop and wait for you till you reach car.
You see, if I go lens side,
Mm.
don't wait for night. Just
Just
go
go
and
on.
lens me and see if me no
Keep
come
hold
past
the
you.
pace.
You're half it tired
I'm
me
blessed
come
with the
past
pace,
you.
you know, you're not going to get better.
Rasta, remember say it's not a racing with the pan in a king.
I know
A
race,
tracker,
race.
you know you're tracking.
Yeah.
So if you go decide to race me, I must come past you. You're half it tired.
Yes, sir.
Because I now run you down.
Drag you, drag.
We are dragging. We are
Yeah.
just exercising into the morning. So
Yeah.
when you can tell me about you go run left me like when me see you run left me, I go run you down.
You just have to continue hold your pace.
Hold
and-
me pace
until
until
you
you're
see me and
tired.
slow down.
Yeah.
So we tell you say another pace, then I go run pan.
Well, would I love
And my pace that. My pace are just a faster pace.
Well, I love that. That means you're good at running.
Hey, don't sir.
You love it?
I show up, me I run, man.
I say you love run joke.
I show up, me I run, man.
Then
But me a boy, one time I used to get up early in the morning and run some sands, you know? Yeah, because we know the health benefit of that too.
well, it's a lot.
Open up the lungs, them and them thing there, you see?
This morning me run, man, and I tell you say right now me is a different man sit down here.
Mm-hmm.
Me feel light.
Lighter, lungs
see
them
me?
open up.
And everything, my blood a flow right to, you know.
Yeah.
And you know say your bloodline, and that most of everything good. If your blood not flow, blood clot right, I fuck we get.
Yeah man, because when your heart a race now, your heart
see
a
me?
beat faster, pump your blood faster.
Oh, yeah.
Lungs, everything work in together, you know.
So right now we have to look in at thing and do it right. Man, I eat up some old all type of blood clot food and I clog up themselves and sit down with you and clog up. And I clog up. And a man think it hard for all work. Cause a man go out there so taxi take.
Taxi him jump
Oh,
in.
you check say you
Him
can't
reach
blood
out in a
clot.
square bus that again.
You can't help it.
Him sit down for most idea.
Because if car park, you know. If
Yeah.
you car park and I run it rusty and can't start and get and can't go nowhere.
Yeah.
Make it do long and see if you don't have a blood clot, but they go clean up and heal up and do something. Then I said, we return.
Mm-hmm.
Can. So them blood clot, them strokes and heart attack come from, you know, brother.
Mm-hmm.
You know, no, because I think clog up and the thing just clog up till you fuck up. And most of we don't make with medicine, we food night out with food and medicine.
Yeah.
And big yard.
Nah, cut it. Remember, your brother will come right now, so the short a bit ready.
Okay, sir. You know, sir, that youth there, I don't think that youth there not dead. You know, some of the back man, my lad, and a sweetie man sell king. Where man pass, all this man, even would have to see man pass.
So,
I mean, I see him pass back. And that, I don't see back that man. I can't dead in dead man.
so how far me live? Where
You know,
would
sir,
you
supposed about Paisley
Yeah.
or Cross, the brother they live. Remember, I did tell him I should come back to medicine, my brother.
Yeah.
And the man, no forward.
Oh, cause that me go for ask
see
him
me?
now if you
So
get
me
a
feel say good a dead man dead. Cause if he did get better, I would have seen my pass a juggler. Where him man I said that keep up in youth, then we go to school, brethren.
and a daily him would have pass.
Daily the man pass, and the man don't pass and no call to me.
Come there, you tell him say yo, you go squeeze some of my thing game, cause you tell him how it work for other people and thing.
Why me see me buy it on
Yes, sir.
route and me a drink it from Peck and me a tell you, good you fuck me and can't them
My lord. We forgot know ourselves too, you know. It look like something we think it has to do good to ourselves, to blood clot.
Yeah.
You know, say yo,
Ras Pledro, most of the time you fuck up all some money and you not spend it on yourself, you know. So good money to
Look
you
at
know,
the
big
girl.
money, you know, where you have to spend on yourself, you know. Come like you don't remember about yourself, you know. When the money done.
well, he's a man, me not do that. He's a man, me spend
But
time
enough
for
man
me-
stay so
he's a
still.
man, me spend for myself, you know, my lad. Yeah, man. He's a man, me spend for myself, brother. Yeah,
You
man.
have some money and you go do all fuck with you.
Remember me tell you,
You not even buy nothing good put in your structure. You see me?
blood clot do you, man.
You don't know if you
I want
For
you,
real,
man.
man.
Eh? When the
Time
money
to
fuck up now, you
blood
have to
clot,
boom,
like.
boom, took them man.
Me? Nah, man. And that's how me flex, brother. Remember. So me flex that blood clot king.
Me love war.
That's where we know, Pally.
Me love it. Me don't know about our next man, but me know me love war.
Right now, me see a man in America
No,
to
say
blood
you
clot
love
with
what?
a much cup and me see a man for a photo there. The man a 100 and blood clot must be 11.
Black man.
Yeah, and if you see the man
Up and running.
playing like whistle to blood clot, you gotta say all them man all 80 or 70, you know.
Yeah.
Because the man no lose nothing, the man no lose no memory, the man no lose
No,
nothing.
no sight, no hearing.
Nothing, man, crisp and clean.
Yeah.
That's why I say all show up him man and I say, look at this man. 100 I must see hold this man, they say in America too, you know. You hear what I'm saying? And the man saying taking blood in walk. In the morning, the man saying walk at least 2 miles.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
at least 2 or 3 miles, the man saying walk every morning. And he eating chocolate regular and he eat some things and I eat that. And right now, if that the man get in accident, that the man live till all 300 to blood. Remember me tell you.
Yo.
Yeah.
Are you gonna believe me, King?
We agree, dog. Yo.
Yeah, man, that the man a live holy thing. Cause me I tell you say, the man
Man a
health
hold
is
strong,
so
same
much, that's the man. That's to say, then look how long man can live, but we
Yeah.
don't
We
respect
shot
ourselves.
with time.
Then we are short with time. We don't respect ourselves.
Where we are eat, man.
Now where we are eating,
You see,
cause
that's
me
for
they
the
say your
man
food
clean
should be your
food.
medicine for your food, you know.
Yeah.
But we think it hard, you know, say, yo, cause listen, you know, you see most things as medicine,
Yeah.
you know, look too official, you know. You will feel say you're the last man eating medicine, you know. If you're eating that kind of food, you feel say you're the last time, like you're suffer. And at that you feel eat. Because some
Yeah.
people feel say them now go to KFC.
Yeah.
And
Bumbo
big
class.
chicken.
And a killer,
Boy,
Them
a
thing
suffer.
Lily are
Them
them.
a suffer,
Yeah.
Rasta. I saw the system set
I
up,
told
you
you.
know.
And you come
Yeah.
and you eat some gully
And
bean
same
and
time,
them
them
Pledro.
food, they are poison.
Yeah,
And them,
the
they are
poison
killing
are
and
Some
they get
bean,
all like disease.
some
them.
bean and some
Class.
Yes,
hey,
it.
Pledro, where I eat them, the people. And that in there, so I eat.
Right now, me have a lot of woman in my yard, you know. And Sunday come and he see me go pick all 2 susumba.
Yeah.
And get all 2 stalk of callaloo and in here over in next door neighbor. Say hi, la fry over there and make nice and
Yeah.
smell sweet over
Vex
there.
with you the whole day.
Rasta, me can't touch me woman in a yard. Let me go, don't touch me. If it's not a woman, we can hold rems. Because you have some woman we hold rems and you say, oh,
I just say
not
things.
because you see this, I best do, you know.
Yeah.
But some other one master, you fuck. I think you like a pussy you can't get. Because no meat
I
not
true,
fry.
man. Yeah.
I like
True,
my
a
dad.
real sitting,
You know,
brother. But I tell you.
You don't sit where happen, man.
Mm.
Regularly, me see it happen again.
Regularly.
Remember. So,
real sitting,
when I
man.
say, boy, you think me going to make you turn me in a worm? You think me a worm? All them sit there and look here, you know. You man, I say, if you think you're going to make him turn worm, or she a worm or what.
Yeah.
And yet still, you know, it's the worm.
Worm
I
healthy.
want powerful, healthy thing, you know.
Yeah, man.
That thing, you know,
Fear bush
Rasta.
worm,
Eat the bush and eat the bush and eat the bush to blood clot and then go hold one. You just go eat up and hold one rim, so, you know. And you see it catch up so.
Till you see
And
turning
the-
a blood clot butterfly. It's a puss.
Hey, then you don't know say it, me nah left out the bush
Yeah.
them, because me, ain't you what you and I did I eat, right?
You have
We
wings.
can't fly. You want to say you...
Give it.
You come like you
That's
want to
it.
say.
If we don't eat the bush them,
And you and I did just come and govern on that level where we fit there.
we could have fly.
We could have fly and do many more things.
Many
there,
more
you.
things. Because watch I know,
You know what I'm
I'm not
saying?
literally flying up, but greater things.
But when you say literally fly to, you know, we
Yeah.
don't know if it's literally fly neither. Because listen,
yeah.
you see, due to what we don't govern,
Yeah.
then all the world got all one ranks from one sea. Remember, say a worm when I walk up and down and go so
Yeah, crawl,
and a
slow.
crawl and go and eating food.
Yeah.
But him a all in realms in right way when come here to live, in living. He no cross nowhere.
Yeah.
Don't.
No.
Alright. So what you feel say? You feel say you feel say you cross somewhere?
Boy, I don't feel like we cross. No.
Yeah man, we cross man. We a cross breed.
What you mean with what?
What you mean man?
I know say yo we have better potential, you know.
Yeah, okay.
I
But
know
we not-
say at the worst state this we in a right now.
Well, listen me now.
At the worst of it is because of where we are eat
Yo,
and how we are
we are cross.
live. You see?
We very love cross. All things what you know say you shouldn't eat. You
Yeah.
cross over and go and eat it. That I cross breed when I tell about my lad.
So you say where we eat going away and become weak.
And become nothing, car for you eating nothing, you know.
Yeah.
It can't go in you and give you nothing.
True.
Nothing, you know. It's just nothing you eat. You eat garbage.
So you become garbage.
You become garbage. You see if we did. So what you feel, my lad? You feel say right rem? You feel say right liberty we are living now?
No man, by far we are we must say Babylon, you know.
Then Virginia enough to say we are no crossbreed, man. We crossbreed everywhere.
Boy, I don't know if them put
Cause
some
listen,
things in
alright,
them
hold
food.
on.
Yeah.
Hold on, no.
Yeah.
Hold on. You never see one black boy go fuck one pigeon.
Never.
You never see one canary go fuck one nightingale.
Never.
Rasta eating them all the revs and live on to all them come here, come see things.
Yeah.
But we know, we see white girl and
Yeah.
white girl look good, you know. Boy.
Mixed breed.
And we see a food. I say, we see one Cyprian girl.
See
We see Chinese.
So we think Lily,
We think
water though.
little Rasta
Water
we think
though. A true man. A real thing.
Anyhow, I and I did a whole thing, right? I good at that, you know. And I know say I good at that. At that,
Yeah.
make Babylon change. Change with have weapon at. Because if I say, anyhow, you leave these people and make them live like how they to live.
Yeah.
These people can't conquer.
You can't conquer
You
them.
cannot conquer them.
Because remember say we are the best worker them and we build up them
Rasta,
kingdom, you know.
Everything are we build it.
And them enough things where them invent or claim say them invent and
You know
we
what I'm
make
saying?
them, you know.
And we got the talent.
We have all of the talent.
All out and nothing.
Yeah.
Because some man no go nowhere and you're not talented like him a blood clot. You
Yeah,
say,
just
"Them
school
some
man.
man no go
Him
nowhere."
no go no
And
school.
how that? Them not talented.
He born with it.
Rasta, in your
Born
eye
with it,
and I
Rasta.
did all the right rims.
Yeah.
You're the fright to see what we can do.
Yeah man.
You hear what me say?
Just school.
You never dream say you have life.
Enough time.
Then take a look at it. Take a look at it. Your dream say you have life.
Yeah.
Sitting no wrong round that's all.
Boy.
But you can't fly in this world. Because sleeping world are one different world from this world, I know.
Alright, you know my point of view from the Bible though. You know say David used to jump over some blood clot wall. The man we then call David. When him go war, I jump over wall, you know, leap over, and them boy the wall are some 50-foot wall, you know.
If no longer too.
You see it? Some big old stone
Remember
them
me tell you
use
some
make
blood
them
clot
wall, you
tall
know.
like a
And
wall.
him a fling over that, you know.
You don't know.
Yeah man, and him a fling all spear, you know, when him a fling all spear, and them time the spear are stuck up in a wall, you know. Look on that.
Just cool, my lad.
You remember when Saul a try kill David? And he
Yeah.
fling the spear off of David and David sight it and it hitch up in the wall. A stone them wall they make out, you know, brother. What kind of man that?
Some little blood clot. This is some little people must take say. I just how them see things look narrow.
Yeah.
Look at Babylon and make a narrow up thing for women. Because they
True,
find
man.
that any of them don't narrow up this thing and let these people
Yeah.
can't have a wide meditation and thinking.
Yeah.
You know go normal.
Yeah.
Remember, me see that man.
A real
See me,
sickness.
so them make sure just due to all that them respond to the teaching as well them say, teach the people them.
Yeah.
Because them come in with them teaching and teach you wrong. Them teach you wrong, my lad. Remember me tell you.
A real sick man.
So, man, me no know what one. A blood clot. You know pretty thing.
Today me I read out of the Apocrypha how enough of the elder them, enough of the rich people them out from Israel used to have fuck the white girl them and have picnic with them and thing, and when the prophet find out, so them still a the man get big and start mourn and start tear out all the hair out and head.
No edit. Morning. Alright. No franchise. Alright, look at my lad.
You see?
Look at, I can show you. Look at. Rasta, something is wrong. Look on the bird. Me say, me say look how much bird in this country. And me never walk and see one sick bird yet. Drop and dead.
True, man.
If I don't want car lick him or man lick him, in no blood clot then.
True, man.
So where bird them? When they old and I go dead, then go to a certain place, go dead one place then.
You never see a sick lizard.
Me never see a sick lizard.
Me never see a sick rat unless he get poison.
Me hardly see a sick puss, you know.
Yeah.
All puss. Take it and look, you never pre-puss.
If rat, if dog and cat no eat poison, see, they no sick, you know. Or dog swallow them teeth or something.
Or him grow old. You say if a dog grow old, I know that dog can grow old.
Dog get sick, you know, but here why dog get sick? Because eat the food that we eat. You ever see, you notice?
Yeah.
Dog will get sick and dead, you know.
Yeah.
Because we feed him scraps off of our table.
Yeah.
You see it? And I see him think them will fuck way up him and eat
okay.
too.
So probably if the dog did live off his own govern.
He wouldn't.
We wouldn't see when turn night, you know.
You
Because
see?
puss, no, at whole as you got the puss. The puss no hole and you see him dead.
Yeah.
And I can't tell a man that when you see that blood clot they happen. As old as the puss be, the puss no old and dead. That's you see. You say puss old and dead. When gone? Eh?
Where you that same guy?
Rasta. One time, you know, I don't know if I like if I just slang people, I say, but one time, you know, you say push down Pato, them all and go away.
No go so do, you know.
Well, me no,
Pato have pitney, you know. Pato lay egg.
Me I say, push cannot go down Pato, but where them go? And that me I say, my
Here we go on, man. Puss, you know, like when puss have, you know, really come catch puss a fuck and all them things there.
Yeah,
so them hide and do them things. So when they're sick, more likely I see them thing and hide and dead, you see? Yeah, so.
young man tell them my dad. So me don't know. We have to go. And they look like you late. The whole thing you want to get back from the day.
They say too late.
Too late. Look at the
Good morning, man. I don't feel like it's too late, I just feel like some things have to come out of your way, you see? I could go back here we go on. Alright, what mean you know? You see your body heal itself, you know.
yeah.
So you see if you put away enough of things them, your body take time heal itself, you see? Logo. There you know.
I can let man. Let me have you. Eh?
Yeah, man, I feel that too. Yeah, man, where your shop name, brother?
Huh?
Where your shop name?
From the shop here?
Yeah.
L.I.N. One Stop Grocery Shop.
Yeah, man, soon to be wholesale.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Probably a supermarket and
You know what's it? The area don't know here stand for lingo, you know?
Lingo.
So me and my daddy business, understand?
You understand?
And here stand for Nini, you know?
Yeah. Who that? Nini? Nini a who now?
My wife, you know?
Oh, your woman. Alright, see there. Yes, man. Yeah, so you can go back in a Ras.
Weird.
You can go back.
Go there,
Some
but
things
free.
have to come out of your way.
Like what?
Like bad habits them and we have to stop eat from the same source.
But
Like,
listen me again.
you know what I say?
Your CCBT system
Yeah.
and to really. Because most people, if you tell them, most people are them thing away with that. How them would say, oh, no, go along. Just like when I say, woman are your yard and you keep on and eat something. You don't want, you don't mean no wrong.
Yeah.
Wishing way she now look and she say, bumbo clad, you must say.
Are the best way.
God, them things are supposed to be the best way. Oh, you are meat and you are meat. Remember, you is meat, you know.
Yeah.
What? Mankind and a meat.
Mankind, alright, here was my concept on that now. You know, say lion, if lion start name grass, him are dead, you know.
Rasta lion not come here for name grass.
They know that me I say, man.
Okay.
So, well, I know. We make for eat meat too, but we make for eat the herbs.
Rasta.
You understand?
I and I don't make feed.
We make for eat meat.
I tell you that, my lad.
Yeah.
No, okay. But alright, we make we eat. Alright, you eat up some wolf and eat. When you go to the doctor.
You can't overdo it. Man.
Rasta. Find your do it you wrong.
Here I read some people, what I feel. Them eat meat sorely. Meat alone them eat. Them got KFC, Burger King, fast food, pay meat. So you find say, yo, them not eat no vegetables, no herbs, no nothing. So you find say, no. When them start do them thing, they're too late. A cancer developing at them already. You see what I say?
Right,
or some disease developing at them.
Right, I know. Right, I know what me see it. You see cow.
Yeah. Good
See,
source
the
of
liberty
protein.
a cow. It's just like we live it, you know. Cow. And meat when it's ready and like sweet the cow. Just like we are even sweet at all. You hear what I say? Yeah. And the goat are living life, it's sweet, no Lord fire said we. Foul.
I say, them not complain about for them life.
And not if they even complain, probably when I hear. And probably if them a complain, I should wait make them a complain about their life.
Yeah.
Say, boy, look how them happy down. Because most of them things, you know,
Yeah.
we shouldn't have them under no bandage, you know.
We shouldn't have them under
You
no
want nobody
bandage.
have them under bandage.
But it don't look like them aware, so them under bandage.
Oh, you mean? You know look so to you. Like a cow, they don't like it, animal, them don't like it. Rasta, you have a cow and you drive.
Yeah.
And no probably no direction, the direction the way you go. You want to go neither, you know. But you still a drive, man, I say, boy, cow will give you trouble. Yeah, give cow trouble, you know. I know you tie up a cow and give cow trouble, brother.
I carry him when no
And I
one
carry
go.
him when I blood clot punish the cow, man. I want to know, Rasta, listen me. You know what me years on see. And me I look through things them. You know some man sit down and look through things them. You know. Man they say, yo, we come for monitor over all things. Cause we got the knowledge so much and we can talk. But you know say we have take some dangerous action against some things. Just me don't know if I chew them years there. We come here to monitor over all things.
Yeah, you must have to agree because we are the wisest of all the creatures on the face of the
Listen me
earth.
now, we are monitoring the things them
Yeah.
and we not take care of things them.
We are
Come and
abuse the
take
thing
the
them.
two, then he say, yes, we come to monitor.
But I know we
fi kill them off.
I know we know.
How?
A white people and them people that we have run the big factory them and fuck up the earth and them things. I know we.
Everybody
Our liberty is simple, you know. Simplicity of our liberty, you know. We raise 2 cows. We push, you know what I mean? We push a cart. We don't own no big business. We are dig oil out of blood clot earth.
Well,
and I mash up all the house one day and all that.
It's not one we are mashing up the world either.
But we are doing least in that.
All they sitting there beauty, you know. You see one whole of a cow and they look pretty. And you see one whole of a goat and they look pretty. Probably if you go there and see one whole of a man too. Then we say we look pretty to her, then we want to run to car, then we smell and smell. So some man in another group there, not to some ready man neither, you know. Them man they will eat me. You see me? So then we see we and I say, boy, them people they look good too.
But you feel like them have the mind or the mental capacity for pre on the level there.
They are more than women.
We're sure them focus on others,
Hello.
boy, where the grass they fit
Listen
eat
me no
today.
youth. Listen me no man. Animal got more quality, more than mankind.
No, I'm not going to say that. I disagree. Obviously not. Because if them did have more quality, how them allow we to drag them around and
Rasta,
chop off them head and kill
listen me,
them and eat them?
you're just looking at that point.
No, man,
Like,
you have to look
then
at it that
listen
way.
me now. Anywhere, remember say, you know, them say, animal monitor over mankind. Mankind monitor over animal.
Yeah.
That means say, you go got the access, you can't do them anything. If they run, you can't run them down.
Yeah.
See, but look, you know. I'm going to show you a thing. If you leave the animal them alone,
Yeah.
and make the animal then live their life. You see, if flood is coming,
Them
you know,
know.
say the animal then know. Who tell them? So, then that thing like that, no, when nobody no set up nothing, and tell the animal, say, boy, storm or flood or so come.
Yeah.
And them know. What tell them? Yes, King. You know, look on them levels there. Ants.
Experience
and
tell them
heavy
thing.
little thing. Rasta. You sit them, I just throw, you know. You sit them can't talk. And I say, boy, more time you do them, so sit and you know, say a wickedness, but through you know, you then say, then suppose one idea. You lick all our dog and you hear the dog and say, Virgin, what make you do that, man?
Yeah.
What you da do?
Boy,
You
I
da
say
see one
something
ducky
wrong.
dog or something.
People are say a dopey dog,
Yeah.
you know what I mean, or sign this.
And him not disappear neither and just say, what make you do that, man? And he walk and left you.
Yeah.
You da keep wandering to blood class, say,
Yeah,
dog,
the
you
rest
see
of
dog,
your
and the
life,
dog
you
say, yo, what make you do that, man?
Yeah.
You feel say one day we come wake us up. Remember say dog can go hurry. Voila! You know what I say?
Yeah.
My lad, we be looking at ourselves. And no monitor, we are monitoring things. We are fuck up the things, brother. And I take it with you up. You know what I say, you?
So yeah, so.
So we don't want you to say, boy, if I saw and if I saw. Remember me tell you, we are doing them too much things and then come here and live their life. And me I tell you them powerful more than we.
So what you say about me? I go spin it round for you now, no?
Yeah.
You say about the fish them we are swim round, I catch them and yam them.
Well, listen me, you know.
They might live their
Alright.
life and you oppress them.
Alright. Glad you touch the point then. No,
Yeah.
I know say you
Yeah,
never
yeah.
touch the point then, no, because you know say it's fish me deal with you. Yeah, I go touch the point then, no, but listen me now with the fish.
Yeah.
Me pray out this thing all the while and me look. And me I
Yeah.
say, really no pleasure. You see how me see fish thing go. Millions and trillions
Of them.
of them.
Some
And
of them
listen me
need
no,
to dead
hold on,
out.
no. And I say some of them need to dead out, you know.
Yeah.
I look at sayings me look pan now where them I say.
Yeah.
I never hear say God or Jesus, you know. Did feed people with chicken in my
And
land.
feed them with fish.
Or beef, you know, king.
So that
You
your
see me?
excuse.
I don't know excuse, can I put me
Yeah.
put my lad. Listen me,
Yeah.
man. They say
Yeah.
Jesus take 5 fish or
Yeah.
3 loaves of bread or 3 fish and
And feed
5
a
loaves of bread
multitude.
and feed a multitude. And a whole heap of crumbs were left. Could have feed the world again.
Yeah, say
So,
something about the fish.
yeah,
Magical.
well, me kind of use that now and cause you know say I just fish alone.
Yeah.
We live, we have life, we deal with it, okay. And if you catch a fish and take him out of the water, you don't have to cut off no head again, you know.
You just
And
got
go,
him.
you just left him there. And him
And
just
him
stand there
dead.
and
And they make for live on land.
you know, make Philip on land. I do is a man go take him out of the water too. And
See him
that a
there.
time, you know, fish jump out of water and you catch him too, you know.
Yeah.
You know that?
Yeah.
Say fish we feel sweet and he just do so and reel up and he jump out and drop out there and you catch him, you know.
Jump out, say, yo, come bounce.
You see me? So right now, me no want you go up on the fish level because I that me you say, yeah. Eh?
Watch you, yeah, set it.
You know, deep freeze down in there.
Guys, standing.
Okay.
All I fridge.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So take a look on it. If you no look like fish could have gone it, because when one fish have picked my lad.
Hundreds.
Millions. kid.
Millions.
Yeah.
Millions of fish. One fish got killed.
When I pull up,
You see me? So I just show more time. You see more time too. We are some people we know right and still not do it, you know. Just do some other things set up around the thing where if you look like that alright, you will still have a next thing where you can say, boy, you look like that alright. You see me?
That it does left up to interpretation. Some people have their own view upon that.
Well,
The next man
well-
might give a reason why him feel like him feel, a cow him fin yam and fish nothing yam. So
Well,
me I
really,
say,
you see too, I mean,
a man might say to you, a grass cow yam, you know, and leaf and them thing there, you know. Fish yam just come in the sea and fish will yam you if he get the chance, if him find it
listen me
there.
now, but listen.
So, you know what I mean?
You think if you should have see you eat your food and say you're nasty?
No, that.
Listen,
A man would have said that a reason why he
No,
no
just
eat
listen,
fish.
man.
And this is a reason why he need
Fish,
cow.
anything what you see the fish, I feed. Because people don't gradually go fish. Our fish
Yeah.
to see in the water. So if you drop in there,
Yeah.
he will eat you. And you can't say nasty. Because you go in there.
Nasty,
You see me? So
Yeah.
you're not going to say, you can't say fish nasty, no. Because fish nasty, you eat your food as what? And a people nasty. You hear what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the fish in the water, you know, walk out of land and come feed. In the water, eh?
That the fish make fire.
You know that? Because you can't see Janko and say, boy, Janko could eat dead meat. That Janko come to eat dead meat.
But at the same time, you're not going to name the junker because why him eat dead meat. Yes, something about him just tell us, yo, here I go on. Him nothing here, me no.
Nobody will eat Janko. If he say
No,
no man
me
eat
not say
Janko.
nobody won't. But I
Hold on,
sense
let
the
me ask
man
a
won't.
question. If he say a man will eat Janko.
No Chinese people who bunks them.
So
man.
what you say? Why everything I just so I try to eat
Them
everything
name
from
every
the earth.
but the
Because
man them name
blood
bat in a rude boy.
clot dog name dead Carona and I'm yes a Chinese hit them too.
What that?
Dog man, I no
Yeah.
pay nasty and when me wouldn't say nastiness, I paid some dead things and some kind of things dog it.
Yeah.
Where them feed.
And Chinese people name
And the
them.
Chinese people eat them and say best meat.
Yeah.
Then you know dog come for that. So you can't
Yeah.
say dog nasty neither. A man nasty my lord. You see me?
So man would have nasty if him eat the dog.
They know you mean.
They know that man.
You see me?
Yeah.
Dog and them thing that I and I come. Cause look here now. Alright. You see cow?
Yeah.
The cow, born, cow calf. Indeed they suck milk when mother give. The mother none have no blood clot food. A big grass and some sitting. And we are running down the cow milk. Say yes, the milk make you strong.
Yeah.
You see me? And the cow no eat no meat, you know, grass him eat. But yet still we are run down the cow milk and say, yo, the cow milk make you strong. If you kill the cow, it make you strong. Yo. One cow in a while, lad. You take all 30-40 blood clot man to hold back one good size cow in a king.
No sir, less than that.
What?
All 10 man can hold.
Rasta 30 man will hold one cow and he can't hold him too. 30 man a hold one cow and him a go with no blood clot and go run so and always some of una pop up some of una. What you tell me about?
Yeah.
So what make we can look at ourselves? Yo, you see if we are eat certain things, we're more
Come on.
it come like
Oh, give me a stop.
a medicine. Make your food be a medicine, be your food. You do it regularly.
Yeah.
Some man no shit all for all 4 blood clot there.
Bumbuckler.
All 1 week some man no shit.
Mm.
You know that? Look how regular I call shit.
Almost every 2 hours or so.
Or less than that too. Probably every half hour in shit or every 1 hour.
Yeah.
Why you take say we no shit regular? Because we not eat the things them. Me I say some man no shit regular. Because they not eat things where free up them bowels, my lad.